Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering JAMB 2020 Biology Class Question 10. The pioneer organism in ecological succession are usually the A. Mosses, B. lichens, C. ferns, and D. algae. Now, I'll start with the term succession, ecological succession. Now, succession is defined as the step-by-step, orderly, and gradual replacement. Step-by-step, orderly, and gradual replacement of communities that leads to a climax community. Now, I know you'll be asking, what's a climax community? Now, a climax community is a community of organisms that remains for a long period of time. That is, it does not change. This community does not change for a long period of time. We say it was a climax community. Now, succession refers to the step-by-step or orderly and gradual replacement of communities that then lead towards this climax community. It simply means that new habitats are constantly formed from existing habitats. For instance, new habitats are formed like soil environments. Now, they are actually formed from existing habitats like rocks, and that is why it's that weathering of rock brings about soil formation. But the question is asking us for the pioneer organisms in ecological succession. Now, when you have a bare rock, the first organism to live on this bare rock is always the lichens. Lichens are always the first organisms to survive on a bare rock. Now, they grow and establish themselves on this bare rock, and because of that, they are referred to as what? The pioneer organisms. They are always the first organism to establish and grow on a bare rock. Now, their presence and other abiotic factors then leads towards the crumbling of this rock, which leads to soil formation. So it is the presence of leaching and other abiotic factors that then brings about the weathering of the rock, that then brings about soil formation. So you can see that the pioneer organism of succession are actually lichens, because they bring about the formation of a new community that includes soil formation. So the activity of leaching on this bare rock and other abiotic factors bring about soil formation. So the answer to this question is option B, lichens. Thank you, and you should subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.